Fun.
Yeah.
They say Benin. One more.
Benin. Love, brother. Thank you so much, bro. Keep killing.
Take care.
Congrats on
Take
everything.
Care.
God bless you
Take
guys.
care, brother.
Y'all stay up.
My brother, take care.
Halls, we out. Jesus is King. We still here. Brother, say hi to Indian Ash. Kuldeep.
Okay, give.
Okay.
Kendra.
Attention, laissez passer le petit entre vous. Small. Yeah. Beautiful jacket, Small.
Thank you.
Love Jesus. Love
Very
Jesus.
nice.
Small. Rhonda.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ashton Small, they say that you handsome in the chat. They calling you handsome. Chat said the chat said you're handsome. Yes. Thanks, chat. Merci. All right, bet. I would say celebration.
Nice, crazy.
Dragon fruit. I have grenadine fruit. I have banana. I have pear, kiwi.
Chat, she got all the
Your
fruit.
Indian language is one night.
Yeah, Indian language.
Indian love?
Sabji. Paliye.
Yeah, sabji.
Paliye. I have pata gobi, full gobi.
Pata gobi, full gobi, Hindi.
Oh, really?
I have hindi. I have bindi.
Yeah.
Yes. I have putino, dhania, full gobi.
Hindi, dhania.
Oh,
All
really?
vegetables name Hindi.
All vegetables?
Yeah.
Indian sabji.
Indian sabji.
Is she speaking Hindi?
Yes.
You speak Hindi?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You speaking Hindi?
Yes.
In Benin?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No way.
I speak Hindi.
Chat, is that Hindi?
Yes. I have one vegetable
Trying to
from
get you
Indian
right.
people.
Chat, is
I
she
have
speaking Hindi?
Yeah,
muli,
lasun, muli.
Lasun, muli, bindi,
Pyaj.
putina, pyaj,
Pyaj,
aloo,
aloo.
pyaj, aloo, pata gobi, full gobi, dhania, kira, kakli, bindi, all I have.
All vegetables,
Indian people.
Hindi names.
Yes,
He's
Hindi
translator
speak.
now.
yes.
She speaking Hindi?
You want the Indian?
She ain't speaking. That's Hindi?
Yes. I speak this one English.
Is that Hindi?
King.
Let's get it. Next low. Next low. Next low. W woman. W woman. Love you too. Oh, she was speaking Hindi. What's up? The cars are that way. We out. Watch the baby. Sorry, brother. Sorry. The baby, we can't play. My bad. Hey, not playing that. You see, he was throwing people.
Here, look, they have something for you right here.
What is that? I can't eat.
No, I know you can't eat.
Okay.
But they just wanted to present it to you. Maybe one of us will take some. So
Pineapple,
here-
mango.
So
God.
you have mangoes, you have pineapples. You know that Benin is #1 in the world for the pineapple?
Oh, really?
Yeah, we export it everywhere.
I know, but you're too close.
In the world.
That
Whether
boy, look
it's
at that boy
white,
small taking
yellow,
in.
Benin is #1 in the world for pineapple.
Pineapple. Try.
Here.
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Hey, this is solid.
Back up, back up, back up.
Nice.
and like you can see, that's really whitish. So we have those
Yeah, it's
orange
white.
and yellowish that are even sweeter. So that's
White
supposed
pineapples
to be sour,
in Benin.
but you can see how sweet it is.
This is fire. Yeah, it's sweet. I hate sour.
Like that's the less sweet pineapple you can get in Benin. So you can imagine the best in the world.
Let's keep going.
Ash, I think we can promote on all other platforms other than IG, right? Huh? You what?
Pineapple.
Pineapple fire.
Yes.
You want one? What is that? Avocado?
No, this is another one. This is palm kernel.
Palm canal?
Yeah. Sweet.
Oh, sweet.
I want to take the pineapple.
Thank you so much.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
And I'm trying to
Ain't it general? Ah, no, I said it wrong. I for sure said it wrong. Beautiful lady. Beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Out there. Oh, right here?
Where do you from?
India.
Let's do it.
India. Okay.
Okay.
And you?
Let's do it.
Rwanda.
Right here.
You from America, Benin?
USA.
Benin.
US.
Yeah.
Where do you from?
I'm from Benin.
Oh.
Yes. All right, let's do a picture.
It's gift,
Thank
it's
you
gift
so
for you.
much.
No, we'll get it back in the car.
Thank you so much. All right, picture.
Okay, bye.
Right here.
Thank you.
Let's do it outside.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Beautiful
so
woman.
much.
Thank you.
Money. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Chef de la Kagarara, chef de la Kagarara.
Brother, say hi from Indian Ash. Kuldeep.
Yeah.
Kuldeep said hi. Kuldeep. Right here. Small.
Back up, back up, back up. Big.
Who's that boy? All right, we out.
Open up.
Okay. Sunroof.
Thank you.
Open the sunroof.
Okay.
Sunroof.
Come in.
Inside. Oh, no, you're not the driver. My bad, brother. My bad, big dog. Respect. It's always love.
I won't remember it.
882763.
On top.
The women did amazing. Oh, yeah.
Come on.
What is it?
8827
Sheesh.
7
663. Okay.
882763. Okay, thank you.
Okay, go inside.
I need my bag.
We need a post on IG.
No, IG. We don't need it.
We're chilling right now. We might later.
Ready? Hey, let's go.
Hey, how do I say I love Benin? Huh? J'aime no Benin. J'aime no Benin. All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Where are you going now? Where are you going now?
बच्चे
God, it's so good. Are we online? Maybe my phone is just tripping. Yeah, it says offline. Translate. Google. Oh, it's still going? It's live? Chat, are we still up right now?
Hey. Hey.
W Africa Tour, are we still going? Yeah, we're live. We're live. I think we're still live. Hey, thumbs up if y'all can still see me. Wi-Fi.
I don't know how can swim.
Hey, why doesn't anybody get in this water? It's dangerous?
So dangerous. So dangerous.
The waves are too heavy? Yeah. It's dangerous? Really? That's why nobody's allowed in? Wait, so if you know how to swim, will you drown? Will you die? You will die?
No, if you know to swim.
If you know to swim, you're good?
Yeah.
Do y'all know how to swim? Huh? So no one here, none of these people, none of you guys know how to swim?
These guys, yeah.
So none of you know how to swim either? Guys, we gotta beat the stereotypes. You can? Chat, can you believe that most people out here don't know how to swim?
in India, Mumbai, Kerala, Goa, but not go by first time.
First time.
Yeah.
First time. Yeah, but Lago, you don't have a sea. Boats.
Boat,
Boats.
tram.
Yeah, boats. Do you know the reason why I'm scared water?
Huh?
Boat.
So what?
Yes.
Do you know the reason why I'm scared water?
Why?
There is one time just I'm trying to run to swim, but I'm just falling.
You fell in?
That's why if I see water like this one, I'm just safe.
You tried to
away.
learn? Really?
Yeah. Hey.
He said, hey. Ashton Small, if you get in that water, boy, it's over with for you. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
You get in that water, it's over with for you.
Ah.
It's over with for me too. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. It comes straight up.
Thank you for this come to.
You said what, brother?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank me?
Yeah. First time we see.
Brother, listen,
Yeah.
thank you for coming.
Thank you.
You came here by yourself. We tried to get your team out here, but they couldn't get the visas. But you still came. That means you trust me.
Yeah.
Love you, brother.
Bye.
Love you, dog. All right, guys, let's walk. Let's do it.
Yeah.
This video shoot.
Everything solid? You're looking good, boy.
Can I get a flick, bro? Can I get a flick? Can we get a selfie? Can we get a selfie?
Yeah, come on, just take it. The best way to do it is to really not just ask. You got to bring the phone up. You got to be slick about it, you know? Otherwise, it might just not happen.
Gujarat.
Sindhi.
Thank
you, bro.
State your state.
Okay. Mumbai, Maharashtra.
अच्छा मुंबई में.
Ouvre-le, tire le t-shirt.
W Benin. Benin cooking. भैया आप सच्ची में इंस्पिरेशनल हो यार.
Thank you.
1 million followers.
Indian Ashton Hall, Ashton Small, and Ashton Hall. Love. Thank you, bro. Love you too.
Love you. You're my favorite person.
Thank you, bro.
I love you so much.
I wanna be like you. Can I have a picture with you?
Yeah, brother. Let me know this. What is the meaning? What is the meaning behind the fingernails? What happened?
Pourquoi? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? No, just like that.
You like to grow it like that?
I make video like you.
Okay.
I wanna be Little action.
You want to be what? You want to be what?
Little action.
Legdo?
Little action.
Lethal Ashton?
Yeah,
Okay.
You're small. You're small.
Are you making that? Oh, you want to be Little Ashton?
Yeah.
You want to be Little Ashton?
Yeah.
Have you been making the videos?
Yes.
Did you do the routine video?
Yeah. Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.
And you're posting every day?
Yeah. I tag you every day.
And you're posting on all those platforms?
Yeah.
Are you using LinkMe?
Yeah. Your name.
Are you using LinkMe?
My link?
To post on all platforms.
Little action.
Listen, pay attention. When you go home, look up LinkMe. It's gonna be the link in my bio.
Okay.
If you're posting on all those platforms, individually, it's gonna take you a lot of time.
Okay.
But on LinkMe, you can post on all those platforms with the push of one button.
Okay.
Same caption, same time, everything goes up. It's very important.
Link me.
Check out LinkMe. He uses LinkMe. I use LinkMe.
LinkMe.
He uses LinkMe as well.
Okay.
Check it out, brother.
Okay.
There's a picture. You ready?
Thank you. Hey, make photo, make video, please.
Mon ami, on y va vite. Allez, on y va. Merci.
Thank you.
Love. God bless. Yeah, let's do it. You ready?
On y va vite.
Can I get vite.
3.
Il y a huge on Reba.
Don't blow it. 2, 1. Thank you.
That's what's up. Thank you.
Love.
Hey,
Huh?
we got a group of like 14.
Let's do it.
They can go. They're over there working on it right now.
Let's see if they can go.
Thank you.
I'm always blessed. Even on a bad day, I'm always blessed, brother. Thanks for having me. God bless you. But look, you should say it. You gotta sell me. You gotta say it. You always gotta say, you gotta sell. So look, for me, I would say that. No, but it's not just about how loud you say it. You gotta sell. You know what I'm saying? But I like the energy though. Let me take the picture. I'm gonna take it. I guess you did sell me because I'm taking the picture. Ready? Love. God bless you, bro. Stay up. Keep grinding. Never stop.
Never. You already know.
Huh? Yeah, I'm live right now.
Hey, come on.
Austin, I'm James from Nigeria. Can I take a picture with you, please?
James from Nigeria?
Yes, sir.
Let me see.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
God bless you, bro.
If you all want to build a school in Nigeria, let me know.
You build the school, then come hit me when it's up.
Okay, I'll build
Build
one
it,
already.
build it. Once it's built, come hit me.
Okay,
Now send the offer.
okay.
Let me know how many people we can help.
All right.
Let's do it.
Forget me. Pastor James in Nigeria.
Pastor James in Nigeria.
Yeah.
If you're a smart one, you'll figure out how to get in contact. And I know you're smart. You'll find a way.
Catalyst now.
Huh?
Be the catalyst now.
I got you. W Pastor James. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Press me.
Easy. America.
Love, brother, love, 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 love. Everyone. Back on go. Back on go. Yeah. आपने कभी शुरू किया था अपना जर्नी उस साल में वही
ये तो 2 महीने में करनी है 2 महीने में करनी है यहाँ बेनिन में कब से हो?
मैं यहाँ पर बोल रहा हूँ इधर बोल मम्मा पापा हमारे साथ है
तो यहाँ से जाते नहीं हो इंडिया?
जाते हम लोग इंडिया जाते हैं और साथ है
तो यहाँ पे रह लेते हो आप?
हाँ हम लोग बिजनेस है हम लोग का हमें प्रोड्यूसिंग भी करता हूँ हमें बीट्स
Not a friend.
आर्टिस्ट
स्केच
हाँ
स्केच
लाइक गाने बनाता हूँ ताकि आर्टिस्ट रैप कर हाँ मैं बीट्स रैप में बनाता हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे भी Hey, what's the plan now? What's the plan?
That's cool though.
Yeah.
Yeah, why we turn around?
All right, that way.
I guess Rhonda is next. Might be right. All I know is when I get to Rhonda, it better be a movie. For all the people
Yeah.
I want to change a car.
You must stay with me.
Okay.
Non, poussez-vous. Va filmer, va filmer. Poussez-vous, va filmer.
Okay,
He's taking pictures.
Let me do a video with him real quick. Let me do a video with him. What's your name, brother?
Ruslan.
Isnan?
Ruslan. My name is
Ruslan?
Yes.
I responded to
My
your
brother.
DM today, crazy.
Yeah, see you.
And then I showed my team, I said, yo, where is this at?
Dia kawari oke ya.
And you was here when no one else was here. It's love. What's your goal? What's your dream?
I'm working in travel agency.
Travel agency?
Yes.
Okay, we'll go crazy. You need to be the best in the world.
Yeah.
The biggest.
Yeah. Thank you.
The biggest. Millions, so you can help millions of people.
Thank you.
God bless you, brother. Good to meet you. Family, stay up.
Thank you.
Take a picture for me also. Picture, nice picture.
Love you, bro.
Oh.
Thank you.
I recreated your DJ Khalid and Aston video.
Yeah, okay.
I recreated it. I posted
Oh, really?
it on Instagram.
Oh, I saw that. I saw that.
Did you see?
Yeah, you had a big dude with you?
Yeah, the DJ.
Oh, really? Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Good.
Love.
Thank you.
I'll do one selfie with everybody. No, from the top of the car. You just got to send it to everyone. I'm going to do a selfie with everyone. Just send it to everyone. Love. Benin. Love. Y'all stay up. God bless. Love, brother. Thank you so much, bro. Hey, Ash, let's get some food ready at the hotel. Some food ready at the hotel. Chicken and rice again. Or salmon. Tell them to throw some salmon in there or something.
Do you want this?
What is that? I don't want to eat right now. Is it food? No, I don't want anything right now. A blueberries here. Okay. All right, we out.
Check. Do you know him?
Who is that guy? Who is that?
I follow you. I love you. I wanna become like.
Come here. Say what?
Yeah.
Continue. Continue.
I continue. I will continue. I start to make more, make effort. I work, and I make a routine video like you. Give me 2 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Jeez.
In 2 years, I will be like you.
Oh, you'll be better.
Yeah, better.
You'll be better. Go crazy. Don't settle for less.
Okay.
You gotta aim big. Not decent. Aim big.
Big. Okay.
Bigger than me. Bigger than everyone.
Okay.
Why? So you can help the whole world.
Okay.
100%. You gotta cut the nails though.
Yeah.
Brother, what is this?
Okay, I will cut.
Cut it off,
Okay.
please.
Okay.
Tonight.
Yeah. I will cut.
and then send me a picture.
Okay.
God bless you.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second.
Everything else looks good. Everything, skin looks good. The hair is good. Everything looks good. You look good, bro.
Okay.
Physique is good.
Okay.
Cut the nails.
Okay, bro.
Love, brother. God bless you. Love you, bro. Stay up.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bro. See you.
I just wanted to give something real quick.
What is this?
Yeah, just a necklace. So
This the
one
key
is-
to Africa?
Sorry, no, that's like to Benin. Actually.
Benin? Key to Benin?
Sorry. No, not the key, but more like the map of Benin.
But what does it symbolize?
Sorry?
What does
No,
it
just like the
symbolize?
map of Benin. That's how the country
This is
looks.
the
The
map?
map. Yeah, that's how the map looks.
Chat, is this the map? It looks like a key.
Can you give it to me? Yeah, that's the map of Benin.
Bet.
So I had one for you, one for no, this one's for you, and then one for
Say his name.
yeah, Ashton Small.
Ashton Small. Indian Ash.
Yeah, Indian Ash. Indian Ash. That's for you.
Ah,
That you
thank
remember the
brother.
country.
Thank you, Papa.
What's your name?
Mario.
W Mario.
Yeah, thank you so much. And also, you went to Marty Spa in Ghana. I used to work there.
In
The
Ghana?
people that massaged you when you were in Ghana.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I used to work there when I was in Ghana. I spent about 10 years over there.
We love Ghana.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming by. Traveling here.
Thanks for having me, bro. God bless
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bro. God bless. Thank you, bro. God bless.
Yeah?
They're trying to, they want to do a push-up challenge at Ashton Small.
No, I just kept somewhere that bring it up.
We gotta slide. We got stuff we gotta do.
Storyline.
Yeah. We're going to change a car?
We have a little more time. The minutes
Oh.
are happening.
But I need a post.
Oh.
Come up with ideas. Otherwise, I'm just wasting time.
Oh, we gotta, he said
Yeah.
he wanted to do a video. Picture?
Yeah, let's do it. What's up, brother? What's your name?
My name is Dean.
Dean?
Yeah.
Physique is crazy. What do you do?
I'm chef in Benin.
You all natural?
Yeah,
I believe that. How much you weigh?
From where?
92 kilos?
No.
How many?
87.
87?
Yeah.
You look good, brother. Let's do a picture.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ready?
Yeah, you have moved it?
Huh?
Are you moving?
Am I moving?
You have moved? You are going?
Yeah, I'm leaving. Yeah. Let's go. You ready? Blessings.
Where are they? Where are they?
Yeah, I know. Indian Ash. I'm gonna tell him you said hello. Juju.
Last photo?
For sure, we're on Star League. Y'all get in their Discord. Join the community. What's up, bro? Everything good? Blessings. What's up, bro?
Back up.
We gotta get.
Thank you. Sécurité, on fait reculer les gens. Let's go, quick. Quick. Non, moi, c'est pas pour. Get up. Ok, follow. Les gars, photo.
God bless you guys. Thanks for having me. Y'all stay up. Love everyone in the car. Let's get it. Hey. Indian National look fresh. They say you look good, bro. Shakira. Hey, pull off. Drive.
Doucement, doucement, doucement. Là, on y va, avance doucement. On monte dans les voitures, on y va. On a fait des photos ici. Hein.
God bless you. You keep going. You're gonna be a star. All right? God bless you.
Chef, on va pas toujours. On attend la sécurité, donc doucement. Hein.
Oui, oui.
Tu peux attendre un peu ici.
Oui, oui.
On attend la sécu. On attend la sécu. Arrête-toi.
When you came to China, please bring Indian ash and small as well. Okay? China?
China.
They went China? Hey, Indian ash said everywhere but America? Golly. We go China. China actually is supposed to be very, very close to next. I'm in my traveling era. Love, love.
जूते खराब हो गए पानी से।
On avance un peu, on avance doucement. On avance comme ça. Arrête-toi, arrête-toi.
Love. Yeah. Nah. Just find a way in. Let's get it.
I should DM you?
Yes, sir. Just hit. Brother, can you drive? Can we press? Can we go and drive and not stop?
Thanks for coming to Africa, man. We love you. Africa loves you, man.
I love Africa.
Allez, go, avance jusqu'aux voitures là-bas.
My driver put me in these awkward situations. Come on, brother. You got this. Nah, they're not treating me like Jesus. That's something you have to witness. They fall before his feet. They say by just the touch, a little small, simple touch, and you're healed. It's different, completely different. These are fans, they're intrigued on what I do, but nothing close to Jesus. Not that type of love.
Brother, how are you doing, bro? You're doing great.
You like this song?
Yeah, just feel the
Indian
music.
song?
I'm just enjoy the beat.
Do Indians have rhythm though?
Indian song?
Very, very calm. African is.
मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहे सॉन्ग अफ्रीका।
In Africa, you need more rhythm. It's more hard. It's challenging. India just goes off the vibes. Brother, let's head to. Why are we not going to the hotel? Hey, Alpha.
Billy's coming.
What is he doing?
I'm waiting, Billy. Don't say it's coming.
We gotta slide, man. Do you know the dance though? Yeah.
Water shoes.
Huh?
Shoes.
Hold on, let's see if you can stay on me. You got India, Africa, America. Hey. All right, we'll just go 1, 2. 1, 2.
India.
Have y'all heard this song? Have you heard this song before?
India.
You never heard it? No.
India.
And then one that just
yeah, India is a different vibe. I do love India music too. It's just different. I give it to you. You know what you want.
And one day you have traditional song. When I'm going to dance, they do this like this one.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's hard. What does that mean?
So it's like how can I describe? I don't know the way I can describe, but when you just live in Rwanda and you will see.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Say less. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll get the vibe when I get there.
Yeah.
Say less.
Crazy internet.
Chat. I'll be trying to keep it cool all day, bro, and not snap out. But like, why am I sitting in a car? Hey, hey.
So how are you doing? Let me hope that you are doing great. Let me hope that you are doing great. Me, I'm Ashton Small. I'm with my brother, Indian Ashton Hall.
Yeah.
So we are so very